Hi, in this lesson we will learn how to create a sentence description based on expiration date. In this file we have a staff member with contract expiration date or ID expiration date, and we need Excel to automatically type this statement for me. So if someone contract will end let's say 10 of May 2023, it means it will expire in 300 days. But if someone contract already expired in 2nd of November, it means it's already expired since 13 days. And this color also will come automatically using conditional format. I'm going to delete this column. I'm going to create it from scratch. So let's say what is the current situation based on the expiration date. I prefer to start by creating a table. So I click inside any cell on my table from the keyboard, Ctrl+T to create a table, and my table has header. Now I will check if this date is less than today or no. So I'm going to if this date less than today, it means this contract is expired. Otherwise, it means this one is well expired. This is very basic, but with no more details. How to add the rest of the sentence. We have three functions in Excel that we can use to merge different text as a result. We have concatenate, which is a legacy, no one uses now. We have concat, and we have also text join. So you can use concat or text join. Of course, you still can use concatenate, but it is not recommended. So I'm going to use concat. So instead of expire here, I'm going to concat expired in with the open brackets. I'm still inside concat, so I'm going to add another comma to carry the differences between today and this date. Today minus this date. So expired in a number as a result of the differences. I'm still inside concat, so I'm going to close the brackets. So I open the brackets here, I close it here just to carry the number in between and the word days. Now if I close the concat, it will work for the expired one. So now you can see in expired we have the whole details. But well expired is not yet, because we need to repeat the same concat statement again. So I'm going to concat will expire in. Also, I'm going to open a brackets. I'm still inside the concat, so I'm going to add a comma. This time I will subtract the expiration date minus today. I'm still inside concat, so I'm going to close the brackets with the word days. Now I need to close the concat. So now we have two concat statements to create the sentence. Now I need to highlight any sentence with expired inside it to be in a different color. So I click in the first cell, Ctrl+Shift+Down arrow, conditional formatting, highlight text that contain expired. So if it contains expired, it will be highlighted with red. Of course, you can choose any other color, but for expiration, I will keep it as a red. So now, if it is not expired yet, it will be normal text. If it's expired, it will be red text. Of course, you can add another color for well expired. Let's say well expired will be in green. So I can select all of them again, Ctrl+Shift+Down, conditional formatting, highlight, text contain well, because we have well, will be in green. So if it will expire, it will be in green. If it's already expired, it will be in red. That's it. Thank you.